Why was everybody else wearing a poncho?
Actually, I didn't fancy getting wet, so I'm here on my own to get wet.
Rides like this in theme parks are designed solely to get you wet. So the question remains, why would you go on it with a poncho? Unless, of course, it's a cold day.
It's quite a cold day. Quite a very cold day. And I'm the only one on this boat without a poncho, which makes me a little bit more nervous of how wet you get on this thing. Let's find out, shall we?
It can't be that bad, can it?
Oh, there's more! Oh, there's more! There's more! That might be the wettest I've ever got on a water ride. I'm not super happy about that. It's cold today. It's very cold.
And that is exactly why everybody else was wearing a poncho. To see more of the park, you can click the button at the bottom of the page to subscribe to our channel, or click the video next to it that YouTube is recommending that you watch next. As always, thank you very much for watching. We have been Troy and Asha from Coaster Couple, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Hoping you can join us for the ride.